Today I'm gonna show you the different types of material that the tooth flippers can be made of. So essentially there are just two basic types of material that the flippers can be made from. So the first type is the hard acrylic, which is like this, right? It's pink. It doesn't bend or flex, right? It's pretty rigid. So this one is for like a front tooth one. Okay, and just to kind of show you, this is like for the back teeth flippers. Okay, but this is the same type of material in that it is rigid and it doesn't have any give or flex to it. Okay, and then the second type of material that you can get it from would be this type. This is the flexible type of acrylic. Okay, so what's different about this is that you can actually kind of flex. You see how it has a little bit of flex to it, right? It's flexible. Overall, I would say that most patients kind of prefer the flexible one. It just seems to be more comfortable than something that is, that's just completely rigid and doesn't have any give to it. Okay, so this one is preferable in my opinion. And then just to kind of let you know, like the flexible ones, they do come with like hooks on them, right? You kind of see like the hooks. It hooks onto the teeth next to it, right? So that helps it kind of hold in a bit better. So for the front teeth one, like this one right here, right? You see how like the hard one, it doesn't have any hooks on them. You can ask to have hooks added onto the flipper, just kind of like how this one is. If you look really closely, there's like a clear hook here. All right, just take it off just to kind of show you. Has a clear flexible clasp like right there. Alternatively, these can also be made of metal. I don't have it on me on hand right now, but as you can imagine, like literally just metal there. That is not the most aesthetic looking, but it is more sturdy because as you can see here, the clear ones, all right, you see there's supposed to be one here, but it kind of broke off, but you can still see a small piece of it. These clear ones, they're definitely not as durable, so they do tend to break more. So that's the downside to getting the clear plastic hook. The metal ones definitely won't break because it's made of metal. And then the flexible ones here, like these class, I find that these hooks, they tend to not break. So this is definitely a big plus and a big advantage to them. Unfortunately, these do tend to cost a little bit more. And then just to kind of remind you, the situations where you would want a flipper definitely is you're getting an implant on a front tooth. So this one is a flipper for an implant right there. Okay, and this one is actually this is actually a real one. Someone was wearing it, and this is someone's actual model. The patient left with their actual implant, but they refused to take the flipper, so they left it there, and now we're using it as a demonstration model, right? So yeah, so that is the situation that you would use a tooth flipper for. Of course, you could use it for the back teeth as well, but sometimes if people don't really see it, people kind of go without it because most people don't really like wearing these things. Okay, so just to remind you, there are basically two different types of flipper materials. Okay, you have the hard plastic acrylic, and then you have the flexible acrylic. Okay, overall the flexible one is a bit more comfortable, but it also does cost more. Okay, but you can kind of discuss with your dentist about which one is best for you and which one you want for your mouth. All right, and that's it.